perfect opportunity to have a go at the Versa Flow by Hydroblu. So Hydroblu Versa Flow. This is the things I can't believe nowadays. Like, this whole kit's $50. Filters 100,000 gallons, 99.999% of all protozoas, all that sort of stuff, everything. So you're pretty much safe. So fortunately here we've had so much rain in Melbourne. She's pretty much up at 100% this tank. Obviously non-potable, but that's the whole reason why we've got our filter. So I marked one at home because I'm pretty much it comes with 2 of these bladders. Really for me it's going to always be one that will be dirty, so the dirty water. And then obviously the other one will be the one that will be clean water. So they come with taps, and they're just a standard, well, it's got like a nozzle for your normal drinking nozzle. It's just a standard like Coke bottle top really. So the good thing about that, I guess, for people is you can just filter Coke bottle to Coke bottle, etc. It doesn't have to be any special bladders like these that they come with, but this is just convenient, I guess. It's pretty small, so you can easily put it in a little pack. So we'll fill up our dirty bladder. So that's good enough, basically upper capacity. And then with this, very self-explanatory. It's got water flow. So we've got dirty at this end, and it's just all those little capillary filters. Just like those life straws and everything. So we screw our dirty end on. And it's even got in written on there as well. And it's also got even pictures, so dirty grey, clean being blue. So we put our blue one on the other end. It feels okay, and we just upend her. So I think it's a couple of minutes whether anything's actually flowing yet. Yeah, I can hear it going in. What's it say on these? 28mm cap on the inlet of the Versa. Turn the filter canteen upside down to begin filtering water. You can fill the second canteen with clean water. Drink directly from the outlet of the tap. Back flushing system. When flow rate's slow, they recommend sort of each trip just invert and push some clean water backwards out the dirty, just to sort of filter it out a bit. And it even comes with like $50, comes with a carabiner on each end, so that you can do it all. It works quite good, so you can see it. So you can sort of see the flow rate there without any squeezing, without any pressure. So not a bad flow rate really, because you're not in any hurry, you're camping. So you just go hang this up at a tree. It even comes with a 2-foot hose to connect it, and the connections, and a hose, like a hose clip clamp to close it off, and a bucket attachment to screw through and make an outlet on like a 10, 20, 30, 50, 100 litre bucket, whatever you want to do. So you could really have this hooked up here, even draining that whole tank if you wanted to for a massive camp, and just have it slowly going, filling up whatever you're going to fill up. So first use, we'll see how she goes. This is probably just going to be for boiling our rice tonight anyway. We already bought in 6 litres drinking water. But yeah, I really can't believe the quality and value nowadays. $50, and if you're a backpacker, you can travel the world and really not have any risk of getting sick from foodborne illness, or waterborne illness basically. So yeah. So that's the Hydroblu Versa Flow $50 kit. Really quite good. Cheers.